Welcome back to Spy Garage.
For the discriminating individual who needs unmatched comfort and formidable capability on the open road, the highly awaited 2025 Brabus Mega Motorhome is the pinnacle of mobile luxury and high-performance engineering. Building on a sturdy chassis that was probably sourced commercially, Brabus is anticipated to add its distinctive fusion of luxurious furnishings, state-of-the-art electronics, and powerful performance upgrades to this motorhome. With its aerodynamic refinements and unique Brabus design language, the exterior appearance is intended to create a commanding presence. Anticipate custom bodywork components that blend in well with the underlying framework, possibly made of lightweight yet sturdy materials. Its distinctive and recognizable personality will surely be enhanced by signature Brabus stylistic elements such bold alloy wheels with a significant diameter, subtly aggressive front and back fascias, and strategically placed badging. In addition to improving visibility, integrated lighting systems using cutting-edge LED technology will highlight its elegant and contemporary personality. The 2025 Brabus Mega Motorhome's powertrain is expected to use a high-performance engine that was painstakingly tuned by Brabus experts to provide significant power and torque. This engine is probably derived from a Mercedes-Benz. This would provide smooth highway cruising and sufficient capacity for negotiating a variety of terrains. A smooth and comfortable ride would be prioritized when a sophisticated suspension system is included, perhaps including air suspension with changeable ride height, regardless of the state of the road. Furthermore, considering the expected size and weight of the vehicle, a high-capacity braking system would be necessary to guarantee stable and confident deceleration. The genuine meaning of custom luxury will be revealed within the Brabus Mega Motorhome. Anticipate an opulent living area that has been painstakingly constructed using the best materials. An atmosphere of unmatched elegance will be created by soft leathers, exotic veneers, and well-crafted metal embellishments. The arrangement will probably include separate areas for eating, sleeping, and relaxing, each with careful consideration for utility and detail. Modern equipment that go in perfectly with handcrafted cabinetry will surely be a feature of the culinary area. An oasis of comfort will be provided with opulent bathroom amenities, complete with premium fixtures and finishes. With the integration of cutting-edge audiovisual technology and seamless networking possibilities, entertainment will be of utmost importance. It's expected that smart home technology will be included, enabling simple control of a number of onboard functions, such as entertainment, climate control, and lighting. Additionally, a high level of customization is anticipated for the 2025 Brabus Mega Motorhome, enabling owners to precisely customize the interior design, materials, and technical features. Each car is guaranteed to be a distinctive representation of its owner's own preferences and needs thanks to this custom approach. Finally, the Brabus Mega Motorhome of 2025 is set to revolutionize the idea of mobile luxury. By skillfully combining the luxurious styling and top-notch engineering that are hallmarks of the Brabus brand with the sturdy foundations of a competent chassis. For those looking for the best in mobile living without sacrificing performance or exclusivity, this motorhome will provide an unmatched experience. It is a monument to the craft of custom car building and a declaration of unwavering quality.